Roswell Flight Test Crew here at the Commercial UAV Expo 2019 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm talking to Jeff Dickens at AeroVironment. How you doing, Jeff?
Good, thank you, yes.
Now, AeroVironment is a company well known in the UAS industry, but mainly on the military side of the house.
Yeah, we've definitely got several products in the military. 86% of the U.S. military small drones, and 7 products in the Smithsonian. A lot of pedigree, a lot of history, and definitely got a good footprint to move into commercial with.
Yeah, and speaking of commercial, we're here to show with the name commercial in the title. So what's going on?
So we've got Quantix. Quantix was released late 2017, going into 2018, purposely built and initially launched for agriculture. So we have 2 18 megapixel cameras on there, capturing your true color, RGB, and multi-spec imagery. And we can do that anywhere from 150 up to 800 feet.
Waivers are required if you go above 400.
Yeah. So we've got a 150, 265, and 360 altitude. Again, the 6 and 800 for the waivers. 45-minute flight time, up to 400 acres at the 360 altitude. Now we've got another option called Quantix Mapper, which is focused on mapping, hence the name.
So there you're thinking civil engineers, land surveyors?
Land surveyors, waterways. Really, what do you want to map?
Now, how do you control this? Do you have 2 sticks?
No, so we actually have a tablet. It's an Android-based tablet with the radio and everything attached to it. You go through to find your area, walk through the setup wizard, yes, no questions, hit unlock and swipe up, and your hands off. At that point, it fires the 4 motors up, shoots up to 150 feet, rolls the nose over, climbs to the desired altitude that you've selected previously, flies the mission, comes back, converts, lands on the STEL.
Wow. Now, speaking of that, this is what's called a VTOL aircraft. What is a VTOL and what are the advantages?
So the advantage of the VTOL is vertical takeoff and landing there. The benefit is the small takeoff and landing footprint of a quadcopter with the flight time of a fixed wing.
All right, outstanding. Well, Jeff, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Patrick, thank you, sir.
All right, and from Commercial UAV Expo 2019 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off. Thanks again, Jeff.
Thank you.